guys, real quick, I've never done a shopping video before, but I'm at Aldi because I've got to show you the camping stuff that we are super excited to get. I thought you might want to get them too before they're gone. Okay, this we bought before, like years ago, and we're about to buy them again because they're $10. 2 pop-up lanterns, not just because we're pop-up campers, but because they store down, they pop up, and I think, yes, they now have a flashlight underneath. Oh, and it's magnetic. And it has a hang. You can hang that on your post, your bed hooks.
And they come with batteries.
And they even come with batteries. Okay. Plotters, I don't love these. People do. Table. I'm really excited about this table. Come in closer. 4-foot folding table for $30. That's awesome. I need one of those. Keep coming. We don't need one of these, but a lot of people might. Collapsible coolers. They're $20. They're super cute. Okay, so down here, there's a portable hammock with a stand. Oh, and there's yard games. Those are awesome. Keep coming. This is what we came for. An inflatable kayak for $90. I've already been looking for something for years. We're excited. I think we're buying 2. So we're really excited that this isn't gone. If you guys are looking for this,
only 2 of them.
There's 2 left and we're buying them. If you guys see this soon, like seriously go out right away. Also, this is called a tent organizer, and I thought that would be great for people trying to organize stuff. You could like hang it from your shepherd hooks. You could put it on the end of your bunk ends. Lots of places. Here we have just storage bags. Awesome. We don't use air mattresses, but a lot of people do. This is a really good deal if you do. These are really nice bags. Oh no, these are the chairs. These are really awesome chairs. Lightweight portable chair for $15. I feel like that's a great deal, and it holds 240 pounds, so we might be coming home with some today. Oh, there's mats. Oh, it's a runner. If you guys need an outdoor mat, these are runners. You really need something to help keep dirt out of your camper. This is $10. This is a $10 rechargeable bug zapper. We're absolutely trying this, and it's coming home with us today too. Sorry, Blake. Okay, this is awesome, guys. Portable coffee maker. It looks like it's yeah, these are really expensive online. I'll try to drop it on the screen what I've seen before. This is probably what I would get if we didn't need one. 12-volt kettle. We use a French press. If you've watched our channel, we use a French press. It's more family size. This is for like 1 person. Anyway, both of them each are $25. That's awesome. Also, this does close on top. I have not tried it before, but if you need something, that could be a great option. I love keeping the heat in and not having to reheat my coffee if I'm slow to drink it. Okay, this is cool. I wanted to do an honorable mention here. 2-burner griddle might come in handy. However, if you have a camping stove, honestly, I think the handles would stick out too wide, but it's a good deal if you want it. And then also one more thing. Tablecloth, indoor outdoor tablecloth, $8. It seems pretty nice. Oh, that one's round. Are they all round? Oh, there's one. Okay, they do come in rectangles. If you know, picnic tables are generally not round, but they do come in rectangles. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have similar things, how you like them. I do plan to show in another video the kayaks and let you know what we think. Maybe show you the first time we try it out and all that. Let me know if you already have one. I heard that they're great, so we're giving it a shot. Thanks for watching and happy camping.